Hello my lovely audience, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing Funskool Bomb Control Batman, and also I'll be reviewing one of the most famous villains, my childhood favorite 1997 Machine Gun Joker. So here is the Bomb Control Batman standard clam packaging. This is DC Bomb Control Batman. Here is the logo and here is the Funskool licensing, and this is the back side of the packaging. This is the card art. These are some of the Batmans from this line. I have reviewed this Batman. The link will pop here somewhere, so please go out and check it. So let's free this Batman from this packaging. So let's keep this back aside and let's see what we get. So here are some of the accessories what we get. This one is a special rapid deployment techno-cape. Okay, it actually opens up like this, and this rings here. This fits on the back side of the figure, and this one opens up. It appears to be a blue visor. And here is the back side. It's actually a spring-loaded mechanism. It's like a bat wing. It actually protects Batman from the explosion. Just at the bottom of the traditional Batman insignia, we can see a couple of letters, CS or C5 maybe. Please comment below if you know what it is. And couple of more accessories we get. First one is this pickup staff of Batman. By this he picks up the explosives so that he can maintain the distance between him and the explosives. It's wing shaped. Obviously the bat wing shape, and this is the final accessory. It looks like a bomb. So here is our bomb control Batman action figure. Figure has 5 points of articulation. His head rotates full 360 degree like this. His hand goes all the way to back and comes again in front like this. He can spread his legs 180 degrees. I call this a Van Damme split. This action figure is sculpted obviously for defense purpose, because he's a bomb control Batman. He's trying to save the Gotham city by defusing the explosives. He is wearing a full body suit with extra cushion or padding. His upper body is heavily guarded with light silver metallic suit. On the chest we can see a traditional Batman logo, and on his right shoulder, just like we have seen on the techno-cape, in front CS written. I don't know what is that. Here is how he looks from the back side. He's wearing his standard yellow utility belt and black gauntlets. Well, here is the close-up of his gauntlet. Look at those spikes. They are really intimidating. And on his thighs he must be carrying some sort of bomb diffusing kit. Well, the face sculpt of this figure is not that good. He looks to be angry, but I believe it's a quality control issue. Rest of the details on this figure are pretty nice, especially the orange painted area. So that's how our Batman looks after putting his deployment techno-cape on. Well, the translucent plastic really adds the get-up to the figure. Check out how his wings are getting closed. And when I open that, it will open.
I'm a bomb control Batman, and I'll find all the explosive hidden in the Gotham City to save it from the Joker.
This figure was originally released by Kenner in year 1995. So that's the information I have about Bomb Control Batman. What we have here is the new adventures of Batman and Robin, the animated series, Machine Gun Joker. This figure was released in year 1997 by Kenner. This figure used to come with a machine gun, Tommy gun especially we can call, and a joke-ematic time bomb. Unfortunately, I do not have them with me. This character showed very weird throughout the animated series because after all he is the Joker. Figure sculpted exactly as it was shown in the animated series. Figure has a 5 points of articulation. His head rotates only this much. His both hands goes all the way to back and comes again in front. This figure can raise the leg only this much. Both legs. It cannot do a Van Damme split. Joker is wearing his round hat in grey color. With his hair visible on the back side. His face is painted with the white color, and look at that evil smile of him. His teeth and his lips, yellow teeth and red dark lips. It's a Joker smile. He is wearing a grey trench coat. Well, the bottom piece actually is removable. Here are some of the details. 1997 DC Comics by Kenner. We can see a red brooch on the left side of the coat, and throughout the series he is spraying water, powder, gas from that brooch. He is wearing dark yellow shirt. with a blue bow in the neck, which has a gift wrapping knot. The inside suit is in purple color throughout. All detailing is amazing. I mean, look at the wrinkles on his pants here. Well, as a huge Batman the Animated Series fan, I love this figure very much. Even though he is missing his accessories, I believe Joker still remains #1 villain of the Gotham City. So that's my little video on the 1997 Machine Gun Joker and 1995 Bomb Control Batman. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and smash that subscribe button to see more toys reviews. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.